On to problem 5 from the May 09 paper 1, and the first thing we're asked to do is to factor a trinomial, and I don't really even need to show any work for that. I'm going to multiply x minus 4 times x minus 2, and those are the factors. And then they ask me to solve x minus 4 times x minus 2 equals 0, and you can see that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Then they say that there's a separate second function, g of x, and they tell you to write down the solutions. Now you could spend some time solving this algebraically, so you would set x squared. I'll just show you how to do it, and then I'm going to tell you not to do it. X squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to x plus 3, and then set this equal to 0, so x squared minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, and now we're looking for two numbers to multiply to 5 and add to -7. There aren't any, and you would use the quadratic formula. However, since it says write down, you can put the two equations into the calculator, graph them, and I don't know why my window looks like that. I'm just going to reset my window. Zoom 6 resets my window. I'm going to graph those two functions, and the solutions are the intersections of those two graphs. So to find the intersection, you do second, calculate. Please don't use just the trace function, but actually use the calculate intersect function on your calculator. And remember that whichever intersection the little blinky thing is nearest to is the one that will be calculated. So I'm going to hit enter, enter, enter. And my first intersection, my first solution, remember the solutions are the x values. So my solution set is x equals 0.807. And I need to calculate the other point of intersection. Second, calculate an intersection, option 5. And I'm going to use the cursor over to the right button to get, what do you call that little guy? He needs a name. To get that guy closer to the other intersection, enter, 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 and that x value from the calculator is 6.19. And those are your two solutions.